Dan Rather, the former news anchor of CBS Evening News. What do you think he would have done as a journalism student at Collin College? And what does that have to do with PHP programming? My name is David Hicks. I'm a fellow student. This is my final project presentation. My first step in approaching this content management system project was to write a user scenario in which I imagine how this application will be used. Well, to spice up this presentation, I'm using Dan Rather's imaginary granddaughter. I'm putting her as a student at Collin College, organizing an online campus rag, the Cougar Insider. To make it more interesting, let's call her Mary Good English. She comes from a long line of literary giants. Now, she's a student at Collin College, and I'm her friend. In this story, my name is David Pfeiffer, spelled P-H-P-I-F-E-R. Mary is good friends with two other aspiring writers, Don Newsley, who will cover the student campus beat, and Beth Chattersley, who will write for the staff and teachers. So Mary approaches me one day about the challenges of getting her content online. And I tell her this is her lucky day. I happen to be developing an application called the PASS Content Management System. PASS stands for plain and simple, and it also means I hope I pass this course. Now, we begin to discuss the features she wants in our online newsletter. Most important, of course, are the readers. She knows the readers begin by skimming the headlines and then drilling down to those articles that grab their interest. So, the reader features include the following. You can see on this slide a landing page with the most current topics summarized. Read more links that allow the readers to drill down. My two categories of topics, students and staff. A feature to skim the headlines by topic and drill down, and a search feature the reader can use to search by keyword. Here, you see the landing page, which is similar to the one in our class. I'm using a WordPress template for the HTML side. Next, the most important user, next to the readers, the writers will be very important. And here are the features they need. An editing screen, as you can see here on this slide, that allows them to add a story by typing, uploading, or pasting, edit a story, add keywords for search, delete the story if needed, upload a picture, and an additional requirement is the ability to control who can change their story. So, in this slide, you'll see the pages they will be using. Finally, since Mary is the editor, she wants a screen that allows her, and here's a slide of her functions, to edit a story with the same features as the writer, publish and unpublish a story, and delete a story. Now let me demonstrate this a little bit. Let's go to the administrative menu. Writers are authenticated through a login screen and have access only to their scope of content. Here's Beth's screen, for example. She can add a new story by typing it in, pasting it, or uploading it. She can also upload her photography. She can also add and delete her keywords by article. Let's log out of Beth and go to the editor. Here, you can see the editor can publish and unpublish an article. She can also edit the article while it's published. Well, this is what I built for Mary, and this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your participation, and I wish you great success in your programming career.